Hey guys, it's Abby here. I'm working on cleaning this print head, and the first thing that I want to do is put my hand under that main board, and that's what I was doing, was feeling for that gear and moving it towards me. That way I can move that piece that's sitting in that frame where the print head goes. It will move that back under the printer so the print head can fit in there nicely. Then I'm going to want to take that encoder and stick it in between this black piece that's on the back of that print head. I want to put it in between, in the middle of that, so it can read the encoder strip when it goes back and forth in the printer. Then I'm going to want to go ahead and take these two springs and stretch them out so it can hold the print head in place, and then put my ink cartridges in and turn on the printer.
For HP, it can have the scanner completely missing but still works.
Once it powers on and initializes, you can go ahead and press modify. It skipped that part for me, but then you can press skip aligning the print head and press OK to this scanner problem.
You should never do an alignment test unless you really know you have alignment problem. Also, you shouldn't do any alignment when you have a clock printhead. And that's why we always skip the alignment test.
It'll take you to that main menu. And here I just wanted to make sure that my ink cartridges were filled up with ink all the way. That way when I ran my cleanings, if it came out blank, that I would know that I had filled up my ink cartridges and that it wasn't that I was missing ink.